Hello everyone, this is Likita from Electronics and Communication Engineering. As a part of our web design and development assignment, I am gonna tell about one app called Fast Scanner. This Fast Scanner app was released worldwide on 2014. By using this Fast Scanner app, we can scan everything with the high quality, whatever we wish we can scan. This fast scanner turns our Android device into a multi-page scanner for documents, receipts, notes, invoices, business cards, whiteboards, and other page text. With this tab scanner, we can quickly scan our document, then print or mail it with it as multi pages PDFs also. Moreover, we can save these PDF files in our drive or open it in any other apps. Here, this app can works on both cell phone and tab. Easy to export also. By using this fast scanner, we can easily export through mail or anything. In this tab scanner, some features also are there. It can change the color also. It can change our document color also, like black, white, gray, like that. We can also detect the page edges. When we scan a page or document, it automatically detects the page edges. Mm. By using this tab scanner, we can create PDFs or documents with a high quality. Without any delay, let's get into the content. At first, go to Play Store and download the app Tab Scanner. I already installed. Here, Cool Mobile Solutions, I already installed. For this app, rating was 3 plus and 110 million plus downloaders are there for this app. Now in this video, I will tell about how to scan, how to edit, and how to create a PDF, how to export, and how to share. Now open the app. Here one menu option is there. In this menu, documents, trash, settings, feedback and help, privacy policy, upgrade to pro. Here upgrade to pro we want now, we can download pro version. For this we have to purchase it. We want to pay some money. This all about the menu option. Here three dots are there. By clicking three dots, we can import images which was already we clicked in gallery. We can take from that. Here option is there, import from gallery. We can create new folder. Here we can create any folder whatever we wish, and edit or share. We can according to our wish, we can arrange our documents by whatever we wish by using these two options, sort by date, sort by name. Now I tell how to scan this. Here one icon is there, camera. Click this. Now I scanning. See how I scanning. Loading. Now how to edit. I don't want these edges, so I removing this. After done all, click OK. Here color also there. Color we can select whatever we wish. We can zoom it also to see the quality. It is an high quality. We can rotate it also like this. Once all done, then click again OK. We have to name the document. I want to name it as PDF 1. Now I want to add some more documents or some more pages. For that I want to click this plus icon. Now I want to this page I want to scan. We can scan. I don't want these edges. We can clear it. We can select the colors whatever we wish. Here color also there. Photo is also there. I like this. So click the OK. Click the OK. When at the time we can select many pictures by clicking this left corner option. Now see, I'll taking this pic, and now I taking this also at the same time. Like that we can take n number of pictures. Okay, we can edit. And this also we can edit. Super quality. After all that, click the OK processing. And here we are having flash option also. By clicking this flash option we can take pictures by flash. See, it comes like this.
Are you targeting JEE or NEET 2022? Get up to a 100% scholarship on Byte.
Like this. I created one PDF. If you want to share this PDF, here one option is there, sharing or email to myself. We can mail to ourselves also. And these three dots, we can take pictures from gallery also by clicking this import from gallery, open PDF. We can open this PDF or export. Here drive PDF viewer also there, or anything. Next save to gallery. We can save these documents to our gallery, or rename. We can rename it as we want to. We can rename it as, I want to rename it PDF 1. Next change document type. We can change the document type. That means page size. I want A4 only. No, I not change anything. I'm not changing anything. Next save to storage. We can save it to storage, or copy, paste, print, edit also there. Whatever we want to edit we can select and edit it. Then I don't want this PDF means I will delete it or move to other devices. Share and delete. I want to delete this. We want that deleted file again. Then go to the menu option and this trash. Here all the deleted documents are there. You can select this. You can select whatever we want. That's all about this fast scanner app. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much.